Well, it was a nice day for it as long as you were staying hydrated. Hot out there, and it's going to continue to get hotter. Weather impact alert. Beautiful shot here over downtown Cleveland. Look at Lake Erie. And Anthony, you said it, not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky, and we're expecting things to really heat up and remain muggy out there. Just a gorgeous shot and a gorgeous start to your Sunday morning. Happy Sunday morning. It's going to be hot. We have weather impact alerts starting at noon. Here's the latest from the National Weather Service. Not budging all that much, folks. Weather advisory, heat advisory, a part of your weather forecast beginning at noon for today and running throughout your Tuesday evening around 8 o'clock. So this is just an advisory. Things could be upgraded to a warning depending on how warm and heated things get as we go throughout the afternoon. Blue skies right now, no cloud to speak of. Temperatures, meanwhile, they're already in the low 80s in a few locations. 80 degrees downtown, same thing in Menor. We're looking at the low 70s, our cool spot in Dover. Humidity, not too bad. Well, when it comes to just how high the sun is right now, but once we get things really heating up and notice what the winds are influenced from the southwest, a bit of gusty and breezy out to the southwest in Mansfield, 24-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So where's all this wind coming from? As we look downwind, all the way from the Gulf, folks. So we have this tropical air mass that's continuing to flow in all around this Bermuda high that will be dominating our weather pattern, not only for us in Ohio. A good chunk of the eastern half of the U.S. will be experiencing extreme heat and humidity. Notice how far the muggies go, all the way to the Canadian border, folks. So everyone, be prepared to sweat all throughout the Midwest, the deep south, and the East Coast. It's just going to be oppressive with the heat. For now, heat advisory starting with noon, going throughout Tuesday. What does that mean for you? Yes, it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. If you do find yourself outdoors or just want to take advantage of the summer season, it's the first weekend, right? Stay hydrated or remain in the shade. If you take frequent breaks, at least for every 15 to 30 minutes, if you're doing anything fun, like playing volleyball, like some of our coworkers here, you really want to take advantage of staying hydrated, limit strenuous activity like yard work, cutting the grass and all that to the early mornings and to the late evening hours. And make sure you check on your neighbors, including the elderly. Make sure they have a way to stay cool and access to AC, because it's just going to be hot and it's going to be muggy. We expect heat indices to approach the century mark as we get closer to this afternoon, especially beyond lunchtime. It's not going to be ideal to be outdoors. Even for tonight, cracking a window, that's not going to help, folks. We have a southwest wind continuing to pumping in the moisture and also the muggy air. So clear skies, temperatures in the 70s. As a matter of fact, going into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be on record watch. We're going to be nearly tying a record set back in 1923 of 94. Akron, 93. We're also looking at New Philly, a high of 94. Their record is 97. So everyone will be warming up into the 90s. It's just going to be hot and oppressive. Humidity will continue. Now, as we get close to the midweek, the humidity will remain in attack, and that's going to remain a part of the forecast. It will give us a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. With our next inbound cold front, they could trigger some scattered showers beginning Wednesday afternoon, turning more scattered as we get closer to Thursday and Friday. That front will be eventually sliding down as a cold front cooling us off. Sunny skies for Saturday, then more stormy weather on the way for Sunday and Monday. A real cold front, low 80s on the way by next Tuesday, the 1st of July.
Yeah, that'll feel real refreshing once we hit those 80s. Anthony, thank you.
For sure.